In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header text color in Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your theme editor, how to adjust the color values, and how to preview your changes safely before saving. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. On the left panel, click Online Store to open your themes page. Your current theme sits at the top. Open the theme editor by selecting the option to edit or customize the current theme, depending on the label you see. This is where you'll make visual changes and see them update in real time. If you're cautious, you can duplicate your theme first so you have a backup, but for now we'll go straight into the editor. Inside the theme editor, look to the left-hand sidebar and select the header section. This opens the settings and styling options for your header. Scroll down until you find the custom CSS area, then click it to reveal the code box. This is where you'll paste the CSS shown in the video. Feel free to pause the playback so you can copy it exactly. When you paste it in, you might notice that some header text appears to disappear. That usually means the hex code in the snippet is set to white against a light background, which is expected and easy to adjust. In the code, look for the part labeled header text and icons. Near the bottom of that block, you'll see properties called color and fill with hex codes next to them. Changing those hex codes will update the color of your menu items, as well as the search, customer account, and cart icons. Below that, you'll see another block labeled region, currency, language selector. It also includes color and fill properties with hex codes. Adjusting those values changes the color for the selector if you've enabled it in your header. If you don't already have a hex value in mind, open a hex color picker in your browser. Use the picker to choose the exact shade you want, then copy the hex code. Back in the editor, replace the hex values for color and fill in both the header text and icons block and the region, currency, language selector block. You can keep them consistent or use different colors for each, depending on your design. Aim for good contrast so your text stays readable. Watch the preview on the right as you make changes. If it doesn't refresh immediately, click elsewhere in the editor and it should update. Once you're happy with the result, click Save in the top right to apply your changes. That's it, your header text color is now updated.